Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM, okay? Now the good news is guys, it is actually possible, but there is one condition for this, okay? Many people are asking this question, and whatever the reason is guys, you may not have access to your old SIM, right? That situation, can arise when you've temporarily switched phones or the SIM card was a family member. The good news is, guys, you can still recover your WhatsApp account in such cases. What you just need to do, guys, if you haven't installed WhatsApp already, go ahead and install it. And if you already have the app installed, go to your storage, go to your cache, and then go to your settings, access WhatsApp, and then clear the storage and cache. Okay, then you open up WhatsApp and you select the language you want to use. Okay, now agree to the terms and enter your old phone number. Now you will be prompted to confirm that you want to send a verification code to the number you've created. Just go ahead and confirm this. And what you want to do, guys, is reach out to that person who has your old SIM card. Ask them to send you the OTP that they'll receive via SMS. Maybe it's your friend or a relative, right, who has access to that SIM card. Or what you can do is replace that SIM card as your service provider, and then you will get access to that verification code. And once you receive the OTP, guy, the one-time password, enter it into the WhatsApp verification field. And once successful, you may be asked to set up your profile again. Go ahead and complete the required fields. And that way, guys, you can gain access again to your WhatsApp account, even without having your old SIM. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.